Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting into the system quickly. Sign in with your Apple ID and confirm you have an administrator account. This gives you the permissions needed. Once done, open System Settings, choose Apple ID, then iCloud. That's where key options live. Make sure macOS is current and File Vault is enabled if tied to recovery key creation. This step creates the state where macOS will offer to generate or show a recovery key. Don't skip verifying admin rights. Now you perform the action. Navigate to Password and Security or File Vault within Apple ID settings. Select the option to create or view the recovery key. Mac OS will prompt you to verify with your device passcode or Apple ID password, so be ready. When the key appears, write it down or save it to an encrypted external drive immediately. You can also use a secure, offline note. This is why verification was needed, to ensure only you can generate or retrieve the key. Finish by storing the key in 2 separate secure places and verifying readability. Once saved, sign out of iCloud on a non-critical account or use a recovery test flow to confirm the key works. Make sure backups are encrypted and physical copies are stored safe. If the key does not appear, don't panic. Try toggling File Vault off then on again, confirm admin credentials, and if still blocked, use Apple ID account recovery steps or contact Apple support for guided help. That's the single best troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.